Let's have a look now at the geometry editor. On top we have a standard menu and a series of icons. These icons are shortcuts to various actions from the menus and will be described later in dedicated videos. The largest part of the window is occupied by 4 viewports corresponding to different views of our geometry. Each viewport is defined by bases U, V and W, with W coming out of the screen toward the user. On top left, there is the red viewport corresponding to the XY view, with the viewer looking toward negative Z. On top right, there is the green viewport corresponding to the ZX view. Bottom left, there is the blue viewport corresponding to the ZY view. On bottom right, there is the magenta viewport corresponding to the XY view, with the observer looking toward positive Z. It is possible to maximize a viewport by clicking on its top right icon. The same icons allow also to undo this action. The dashed lines represent the other viewports. Precisely, they indicate the intersection of the other viewport with the current one. The center of the viewport is represented by a square, and the view direction W is indicated by a short line in the center. To drag a viewport, it's sufficient to left-click on it and hold down the button. Dragging the center allows to relocate the viewport. Dragging the line close to the center allows to translate the viewport along W. Dragging the extremities rotates the viewport. On the left part of the window, there are 2 list boxes: the Object List box on top and the Properties List box on the bottom. In the Object List box are listed all the elements present in our geometry: bodies, region, transformation and markers. With the icons on top, we can restrict our selection. Using the text box, we can search for a specific object. If I type TARG, only 3 objects will be listed in the list box: the RCC target, the region void and the region target. The region void is listed because it contains the body target in its definition. Once I select an object, its properties and attributes are shown in the property list box on the bottom.